Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to access Terabox links without app or login. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. First thing you need to do is to open your Telegram application. Once you have logged into your Telegram, after that at the top it shows connecting. Once you connect it with the server, after that you have to search in the search bar for Tera bot. After searching this bot, you just have to click on Terabot link to video. Now you just have to click on menu and click on start the bot. Now it says send only Terabox URL please. So you have to paste your Terabox URL. So simply paste your Terabox URL. It says processing URL. Now it has generated an online player where we can watch this video. So if you tap on this online player, once after that, if this link is not working, you just have to click on online player 2. After tapping on online player 2, here you can see this online player 2 is successfully working. That's how you can access Terabox link on this bot and watching videos like that. You can also download from this link here. If you tap on this link, you can easily download this video from here also. And that's it. Now you know how to access Terabox link without apps or login. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.